Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Salter scales if they're playing up like this one here. So you can see this is a 3 kilo dumbbell here, put it on here, and for some reason it only ever weighs 1 kilogram, which is really, really strange. So I can add more weight to that and it won't go up what it should be going up. You can see it's just over 1 kilogram. And yet up to 1 kilogram, it works absolutely fine. So when I apply pressure there, you can see it going up nicely. And then it stops. Really strange. So what we're going to do is what normally fixes most things. Quite simply, we're going to take the batteries out of it. Hopefully then that will completely reset it and then it will start working again. So turn it off, bring it over, and there's a little Phillips screw just here. And as you can see from the label down here, it should go up to 5 kilograms. Right, so take this out and we're going to pop both the batteries out. They are CR2032. And to take them out, you just apply a bit of pressure down, move them over, and then take them out that way there. So I'm just going to leave those out for 20 seconds or so. Try turn it on and off a couple of times just to drain any power that's left in it. That should be enough. Now let's pop them back in. These are positive facing upwards. Now let's see if that's worked. Right, so I'm just going to turn it off. Back on again. And here we go. And you can see now we're back up to 3 kilograms, which is what this dumbbell is. So it's amazing, isn't it? Even though this has been off numerous times, you need to take the batteries out to actually reset it. And you can see now if I apply more and more and more and more and more pressure, we'll go all the way up to 5 kilograms before it goes to overload. I hope this has worked for you as well. Thanks for watching.